Hi, I'm Dr. Patrick, one of the vets here at Modern Vet. I graduated as a doctor of veterinary medicine from the Lebanese University of Agriculture and Veterinary Medicine in 2017. I hold a general practitioner certificate in small animal medicine, and I worked as a veterinary practitioner in Lebanon before deciding to relocate to Dubai and start working at Modern Vet. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about heat strokes in dogs. What is a heat stroke? Heat stroke is a term commonly used for hyperthermia or elevated body temperature. Generally speaking, if a pet's body temperature exceeds 39.4 degrees Celsius, it is considered abnormal or hyperthermic. Body temperatures above 41 degrees without previous signs of illness are most commonly associated with exposure to excessive heat and are often referred to as heat stroke. The critical temperature where multiple organ failure and impending death occurs is around 41.2 degrees to 42.7 degrees Celsius. How can I tell if my dog had a heat stroke or is overheating? I always remind pet owners to be aware of their pet's susceptibility to overheating, especially during summer months in Dubai. Just like humans, pets can get hot and suffer from heat exhaustion or even heat stroke. It's important to pay attention to your pet's behavior and act fast as they show signs of overheating. Dogs suffering from heat stroke can have elevated breathing rate, dry or sticky gum, abnormal gum color, bruising in the gums, may appear lethargic or disoriented, and may even have seizures. Pets with thick, long fur and brachycephalic breeds such as bulldogs and pugs are particularly prone to overheating. Symptoms of mild overheating include heavy panting, fatigue, unwillingness to move or exercise. If your pet's temperature rises above 39.4 degrees, your pet is in danger of heat stroke, which can be life-threatening. Symptoms of heat stroke include hyperventilation, excessive panting, dry and red gums, thick salivation, rapid pulse, confusion, weakness, diarrhea or vomiting, and sometimes even with blood. What to do if your pet is overheating? To cool down a mildly overheated pet, I recommend to use cool water or towels on their body, focusing on areas such as the neck, belly, armpit, and paws. It's important to avoid using freezing cold water as it can cause their blood vessels to constrict and eventually lead to shock. For a slow cooling process, you can bring your pet into an air-conditioned room or even use a fan to help. Additionally, cooling treats like ice cubes or a frozen Kong can also help. In case of a heat stroke, it's essential to cool down your pet gradually by using cool wet towels on their body and seek immediate veterinary attention. It's crucial to monitor your pet closely during hot weather, even if they are swimming or playing in water. Dogs can still suffer from heat stroke while swimming in cool water, so it's vital to always supervise them. My best advice for pet owners during hot weather is to keep their pets indoor during the hottest parts of the day. It's also essential to ensure that pets have access to fresh drinking water and refrain from doing long bouts of exercise, especially during the peak heat of the day. Leaving your pet unattended outside or in a car on warm or hot days is never advisable, as dogs can become overheated even when swimming and playing in water. It's also vital to limit their activity on hot outdoor surfaces, as long walks outdoor can be painful for their paws when the sidewalk is hot. A good rule of thumb is to place your hand or bare foot on the pavement, and if it's too hot for you, it's definitely too hot for your dog. When inside, using fans or air conditioning can help keep your pet comfortable and cool. To keep your pet stimulated and cool, you can also consider offering some cooling treats. There are various options to try, such as ice cubes, frozen Kongs stuffed with soft food, or pet-specific ice cream. You can even make your own pet-friendly ice cream with mashed up banana, plain unsweetened yogurt, tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. Frozen chunks of watermelon or other melons are also a great option with high water content to keep your pet hydrated on a hot day. Just remember to remove the rind and any seeds, as they can cause choking hazard. At Modern Vet, our vets work closely with pet owners to provide the highest level of care for pets suffering from heat exhaustion. If you suspect that your pet is experiencing heat stroke, it's crucial to act quickly. Move your pet to a cool shaded area, offer them cool water to drink. You can also use cool wet towels to help lower their body temperature. It's important to contact Modern Vet right away for further treatment and guidance.
Choose Modern Vet. By your side since 1995.